5 years, and many of my colleagues were from Pakistan, and they supported different political parties. I'm going to speak about the rest of your leader, Imran Khan. We Irish have experienced the same as you have many times in our history. Our Irish political leaders were arrested and put in prison, sadly, by our own Irish politicians. But they were taking instructions from British state terrorists in London. And I believe that the Pakistani government was taking instructions from the American and the Israeli state terrorists. And one of the reasons for that is because Imran Khan supported Palestine. So I believe that all Pakistanis abroad, whatever country they are in, they should put pressure on the government to put pressure on the Pakistani government to release Imran Khan. I just have received good news from Dublin. The Israeli ambassador has closed down the Israeli ambassador in London, in Dublin. So we Irish, we're a small country on the west coast of Europe. We have a very small army, a very small navy, and a very small air force. We only use them for peaceful purposes. But the determination of the Irish people, particularly the political parties, we are very unlucky in Ireland. We have all our domestic rows, our fights and our arguments. But all the Irish politicians are united on one thing, and that is on Palestine. So unity is very important. And even Pakistanis who might not agree with the politics of Imran Khan, you should all unite for his release. Because different political parties, I have rows with different Irish political groups, but I believe they all have the right to participate in democracy and elect whoever they want to elect as their president or to their parliament. And they if they're elected, they should not be arrested on the dictation of the United States of America and Israel, because they don't like what is happening. So I wish you all luck. I tell you, I've been campaigning for Ireland since I was 10 years of age. My task is not yet complete, but we are in the process of gaining control back of our country. We'll be taking the 6 occupied counties out of NATO and back into a free Ireland. So I wish you all the best of luck, and keep on campaigning in a peaceful, lawful and democratic way. And finally, put pressure on your members of parliament to put pressure on your members of parliament to put pressure on the government, particularly David Lammy, to tell David Lammy to ask the Pakistani government to release Imran Khan.